This is why you should Derma Stamp if you are trying to regrow your hair. Personally, I have been regrowing my hair for 1 year. The main thing I have used is Minoxidil, and that will always be more effective in direct comparison to a Derma Stamp or any similar tool. But a Derma Stamp can be a great complement to the routine. I use Minoxidil every day, and I Derma Stamp my hair around 1 to 2 times per week. When you do this, it increases the blood flow to your scalp, which is beneficial for hair growth. It can also help your scalp absorb the products you are using better. By using the combo of Minoxidil and a Derma Stamp, I regrew a lot of my hair in just 3 months. As you can see, my hair was thinning a lot when I started. Now it has grown a lot thicker, and the worst bald spots have been filled out. In addition to that, it also helped me increase my beard growth in an equally impressive way. I went from a very patchy beard to a significantly, much more connected beard in 3 months. Considering how easy it is to Derma Stamp, it is definitely a tool worth adding to your routine.